Let's unbox my new Lavalier. As soon as I saw this color, I had to get it, and I'm even more happy in person. Look at that fuzzy pink coloring. So beautiful and cute. There is other color options to choose from as well, but I just love the pink. Okay, but here's what's included. So yes, there is 2 of the microphone transmitters. Attached is the 2 furry windscreen muffs, so great for outdoor recording. 2 of the indoor ones, which are just the pink foam mic covers. You have the charging USB-C. You have the 2 different adapter options. And of course the user manual. There is also the clips, which I'll show you how to install. You have the receiver that just plugs into your phone. And this is the complete set. So if you have an older version of an iPhone or Android, you are able to still use this mini microphone set. For the transmitter itself, there is an on-off button to charge it, and then to add on to the clip, it's very simple. It just slides right on, and you can move it 360 degrees. So depending on what you're wearing, it will clip right on. Oh my gosh, one thing that I really like is there's no pairing or app needed. Just go ahead and plug it in and you're good to go. You will have that instant wireless connection. Another cool feature is headphone feature. You can wear headphones and you can see how you're speaking and adjust from there. Here's me talking in my microphone quite a far distance away. So you can tell here with it. And then I'm just unplugging the transmitter from my phone and turning it off. And then here's what I sound like without the microphone. So you tell me which sounds better.